Good evening. Welcome to Blue Garden Restaurant. How many people tonight?
Good evening. Just 2, please.
Great, follow me. I have a nice table for you.
Thank you. The window is perfect.
Here are your menus. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Still water or sparkling?
Still water. And do you have orange juice?
Yes, fresh orange juice, small or large.
A small one, please.
Perfect. I'll bring it right away. Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order?
One question. What is the soup of the day?
Tomato basil soup. Very fresh.
Sounds good. I'll take it.
Great. And for your main course?
The grilled chicken, please.
Would you like fries, rice, or vegetables?
Vegetables, please.
Perfect. Soup and grilled chicken with vegetables.
That's all, thank you.
Your soup will be ready in a few minutes. Here is your soup. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you. It smells great.
How is it?
It's delicious.
Great. Your main dish is coming soon. Here is your grilled chicken. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, some black pepper, please.
Sure. One moment. Here you go.
Perfect, thank you.
Would you like dessert?
Yes, what do you have?
Let me bring you the dessert menu. Chocolate cake, apple pie, ice cream, or tiramisu.
Chocolate cake, please.
Would you like tea or coffee?
Actually, can I have a fresh green juice instead?
Of course. I'll bring it. Chocolate cake and fresh green juice. Enjoy.
Thank you. It looks wonderful. Can I have the bill, please?
Sure. Did you enjoy everything?
Yes, everything was great. Thank you.
Here is your bill.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Here's the card machine.
Just insert your card here.
Done.
Perfect. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye.